Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a very quick and simple video that's going to be worth your while. Some time ago I did post a video on how to deep clean your kitchen sink like a pro, and today I'm going to teach you how to clean your glass stovetop to look like new once again. I'm all about finding products that are bomb and get the job done. God knows I do not have much time in my hands to spend cleaning or scrubbing. When I find something that works, I stick to it, and that's why I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing product. Not only does it clean all that tough stuck on food, but it also polishes it as well, and I'm telling you, your stovetop is never going to look better. Comment down below if you'd like to see any more deep cleaning videos. I'm thinking I might do like eliminating your kitchen odors type of video or something of that sort. So if you want to see that, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to watch my videos. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Come. Ven acá. Alright Matthew, ready? Say bye guys.
Bye guys.
Awesome. Give me 5.
Alright you guys, so this is how my stovetop looked. I actually hadn't cleaned my stovetop in about a week, just so that you guys can really appreciate how well this cleaner works. So what I like to do first is spray some multi-surface cleaner onto my stovetop and just wipe it down with a paper towel, just to make sure that I remove anything that's not stuck on before I apply the cleaner. So this is the cleaner that I'm going to be using. It's from the brand Weiman, and it's a glass cooktop heavy duty cleaner and polisher. I know that they have one also for gas ranges, so if you go onto their website, I'll try to link it down below. You can definitely find that as well. But the way I like to use this cleaner is just by pouring it onto my stovetop, but especially paying extra close attention to those areas in which have those tough baked on messes. And then with a paper towel, I like to dab that cleaner into all the areas that have that gunk. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and let this product work its magic. I'm going to be using the scrubbing pads from the same brand, Weiman. I'll try to link it down below as well. But these are non-abrasive pads, so they won't scratch the glass, yet they're powerful enough to remove all that burned on food. I do like to wet the pad with some hot water before I start scrubbing, and then after that I just start scrubbing and everything just literally lifts off. After I'm done scrubbing, I'm going to rinse off that pad and then just pour a little bit of hot water onto my stovetop just to remove as much cleaner off as possible. I'm going to use a microfiber cloth just to finish taking off all that cleaner. I'm going to wrap a butter knife in the same microfiber cloth and just clean off all the edges of the stovetop, because sometimes food tends to settle in the edges. For the ultimate shine, I'm going to spray some glass cleaner onto my stovetop. This one is from Spray Away. And I'm just going to wipe everything down with a paper towel. You're going to instantly see all that shine come back to life. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye guys.